Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.3609 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.2634 1.3935. The earlier day close, 1.2805. The change was plus 0.0804, plus 6.28%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin figure on Monday, June 12, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.14 rands, high 1.22, low 1.06. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 1.19 rands, high 1.27, low 1.11. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.21 rands, high 1.29, low 1.13. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.20 rands, high 1.28, low 1.12. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.21 rands, high 1.29, low 1.13. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 1.18 rands, high 1.26, low 1.10. Dogecoin figure on Monday, June 26, cost 1.19 rands, high 1.27, low 1.11. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.20 rands, high 1.28, low 1.12. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, June 28, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 30, cost 1.19 rands, high 1.27, low 1.11. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 1.18 rands, high 1.26, low 1.10. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1.24 rands, high 1.33, low 1.15. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, July 6, cost 1.25 rands, high 1.34, low 1.16. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.45, while low cost 1.06. Found the middle value of cost 1.28. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.19. Change for June 15.6%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.35, while low cost 1.02. Found the middle value of cost 1.17. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.10. Change for July 7.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.14, while low cost 1.00. Found the middle value of cost 1.08. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.07. Change for August 2.7%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.22, while low cost 1.06. Found the middle value of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.14. Change for September 6.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.14 rands. Excessive cost 1.14, while low cost 0.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset, cost at 1.06 rands. Excessive cost 1.06, while low cost 0.88. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.95. Change for November 10.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at 0.95 rands. Excessive cost 1.18, while low cost 0.95. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.05. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.10. Change for December 15.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. Excessive cost 1.10, while low cost 0.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.92. Change for January 16.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at 0.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.92, while low cost 0.72. They found the middle value of cost 0.83. Dogecoin gauge for WAC 2024. Exorbitant cost 0.95, while low cost 0.77. They found the middle value of cost 0.85. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.89. Change for spring 15.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at 0.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.02, while low cost 0.88. They found the middle value of cost 0.94. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.95. Change for April 6.7%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at 0.95 rands. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.90. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.88. Change for May 7.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.98, while low cost 0.86. They found the middle value of cost 0.91. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.7348 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7176 minus 0.7915. The earlier days nearby 0.7810. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.862 coins, high 0.926, low 0.806. ZAR to Doge expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.870.